Welcome, dear learners. This is Sunita Lizzie Pereira, Assistant Professor in Management, Manjunathapai Memorial Government First Grade College, Karkada, Udupi District. Let us study the graphical method of linear programming under Unit 4 of Business Statistics for 2nd BBA 4th semester of Mangalore University. This is a problem to solve graphically. This was given in May 2018. Maximize z is equal to 2000x plus 1000y. This is an objective function. Subject to the constraints x plus y less than equal to 400 and 8x plus 5y less than equal to 2600 and the non-negative restrictions x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. First of all, we have to take these inequalities and convert them into equalities. Look at this table. Here the equations are considered as equal. X plus y is equal to 400. We are taking x is equal to 0. When we take x is equal to 0, we are finding the value of y. So y becomes 400. When y is equal to 0, in the second situation, when y is equal to 0, x becomes 400. So we get 2 points which we have to plot on the graph. That is, x is 0, y is 400, and x is 400 and y is 0. Similarly, for the second equation, when x is 0, 8 into 0, so x is 0, y is equal to 2600 divided by 5 is equal to 520. So we get x is 0, y is 520. And when y is 0, we get x is equal to 2600 divided by 8 is equal to 325. So here x is 325 and y is 0. And the non-negative restriction x is equal to 0, which comes in y-axis, and y is equal to 0 in x-axis. Let us plot these points on the graph. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and this is the first quadrant where x and y both are positive. So we can plot the points. We can have the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 on both x-axis as well as y-axis, depending upon the maximum value on x-axis and maximum value on y-axis. This is the first point, that is 0 and 400. Next is x is 400 and y is 0. So we are drawing this straight line. For the second equation, we have 0x and 520y. So this is the point, and 325x and 0y. So we are drawing the straight line. Here there is intersection of the two straight lines and we get a point here. We need to draw a straight line here which is parallel to y-axis and another line which is parallel to x-axis, and if we measure the point we will get x 200 and y 200. Now this is to find the feasible region. For the equation x plus y is equal to 400, this region which is shaded is the less than equal to 400. And this is the region 8x plus 5y is less than equal to 2600. Now we have to see the common region. So here we can see the shaded region is the common region for both the straight lines. Therefore, this region is called as the feasible region, and we have four corner points here: A, B, C and D. Now we have to tabulate the values to find Z. So here it is shown, and we get maximum 6,50,000. So Z is maximum at 6,50,000, where the optimal solution is X 325 and Y 0. Now let us see another problem. Graphically solve the following LPP. Here the problem is of maximize Z is equal to 5x plus 4y subject to the constraints. Same method is followed here. First of all, we convert these inequalities into equality, and putting x is equal to 0 and putting y is equal to 0, we have to find the values of x and y. After that, we have to plot the points on the graph. Now let us see, these are the points that we have to plot on the graph. First is 0 and minus 5. So this is the point. And next is 10 and 0. So x is 10 and y is 0. Let us plot these points on the graph. So first is 0, comma, minus 5. So x is 0 and y is minus 5. So this is the point. And next is x is 10 and y is 0. X is 10 and y is 0. Now when we join these two lines, the line goes here, continues like this. And we have to see only the first quadrant. Now coming to the second equation, we have x0 and y15. X is 0 and y is 15. So we get a point here. And next is x is 30 and y is 0. X is 30 and y is 0. So we have to join this straight line. Now we have to decide about the feasible region. So the first equation says it is less than equal to 10. So less than equal to 10. If this is the straight line, x minus 2y is equal to 10. So this is 10. So the region which is to the left. So let us see here. This is the region which is less than equal to 10. And the second equation is greater than equal to 30. So the blue line shows the region which is greater than equal to 30 for the equation x plus 2y greater than equal to 30. Now we have to identify the common region. So this, where we can see the combination of blue and yellow lines together is the feasible region. So we have shaded here. The shaded region is the feasible region, but there is no boundary for this region. Therefore, there is unbounded maximum. We have 2 points, that is A and B. We can find the minimum values among these two corner points, but we don't have maximum values. Therefore, Z is unbounded. So there is unbounded solution for this linear programming problem. Now this problem is similar to the previous one, but the question is of minimize. So this is connected to exercise 5. In the previous case they asked the maximize Z, but here they are asking minimize Z. So I told you there were 2 corner points. So we have to tabulate those 2 corner points to find Z value, and we get 60 to be minimum, and the optimal solution is, that is corner point A, where x is 0 and y is 15. So minimize Z is equal to 60. Now let us see this problem. This is the case of maximize z is equal to 3x plus 2y. So this is our table. Inequalities converted into equalities, and we have found the points x and y, and now we have to plot those points, plot the points on the graph. So the first point is 0. The first point is 0, 3. X is 0 and y is 3. So this is the point. The second is x is minus 4.5. This is minus 4.5 and y is 0. So we have to draw this line. We have to connect these 2 points, so the line goes. Next is x is 0 and y is 10. X is 0 and y is 10. So here is the point. And next is x is minus 6.7 and y is 0. So we are joining these 2 points here now, and the straight line goes like this. Now here, to see the feasible region, we have to see the equation, the original equation, minus 2x plus 3y less than equal to 9. So this is equal to 9. This is the line. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis and y-axis. So this is the line. If this is the line, we have to see that it is less than equal to 9. If this is 0.3 at y-axis, then our region will be the lower region, below 3. Now to the second equation, this is greater than equal to 20. Greater than equal to 20. This is equal to 20. And here, if this is 0.10 on the y-axis, so the next point 11, 12, 13, it goes on like this. So this will be the region which is greater than equal to 20. Now if you see here, both the region are different. There is no common region here. Therefore, there does not exist any feasible solution to this LPP. Now let us go to the next problem. This problem was asked in June 2016 as well as December 2015. Here there are 3 constraints and all are less than equal to. So draw the table and put the equations into equality and find the values for x and y. Find the points for x and y which is to be plotted on the graph. Now you can see this graph, it comes like this. The first points that we have to plot is 0 and 1000. So x is 0 and y is 1000. This is the first point. And the second is x is 500 but y is 0. So x is 500. So we are joining this straight line. Now coming to the second equation, x is 0 and y is 400. Y is 400. This is the point. And x is 1000 and y is 0. X is 1000. This is the point. X is 1000 and y is 0. So we are joining these 2 points. So we get this straight line here. And the last is x is 0 and y is 600. X is 0, y is 600. So on y-axis we have 600 here. And this is x 900 and y is 0. So on x-axis we have 900. So this is the point. Now we have to draw these two. We have to join these 2 lines together and we get the straight line. Now here if you see these equations, all the equations are less than equal to. So as it is less than equal to, we can see that on the first straight line, this entire region will be less than equal to. On the second one, this whole region will be less than equal to. And the third one, this region will be till here will be less than equal to, and we find the common region here. And in this common region, we have the 4 points here, which is A, B, C and D. And we need to find out C, we have to join the C to the x-axis, and this side we have to join C to the y-axis, and here we will get the point that is x is 375 and y is 250, and this shaded area is the feasible solution. So here this is one region, this is the second feasible region, this is the third. So this is the common region for all those three equations. So we can tabulate the values for the corner points that we have got, and here as we have to maximize this problem, we get two values maximum. So Z value is 4 lakh in two situations. So we have two optimal solutions. One is x375 and y250, and the second is x is 0 and y is 400. Now let us take this problem. This is a minimization problem. Here this is a constant which is greater than equal to 80. Next, x is greater than equal to 2, y is less than equal to 8. We have to convert these three constraints into equality and solve. So let us put the table like this. The first equation, as usual, we get the points x and y, and here x is equal to 2, which is a line parallel to y-axis. So we get x is 2 and y is 0, and y is equal to 8 is the line parallel to x-axis. So x is 0 and y is 8. Now let us plot these points on the graph. X is 0 and y is 10. X is 0 and y is 10. So this is the point. X is 0 and y is 10. And then x is 16 and y is 0. So this is another point. Now we are joining this straight line. Now you can see the equation 5x plus 8y is equal to 80. Now this is greater than equal to 80. As it is greater than equal to 80, the line above, this whole line will be above this line, this whole region above this line will be the feasible region, or the which is greater than equal to 80. Then next let us see x greater than equal to 2. So we have to plot the point. Now let us take x is equal to 2, where x is 2 and y is 0. So this is the point, and we have to draw a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Similarly, we have to take y is equal to 8, x is 0 and y is equal to 8, and we are drawing a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Now to identify the feasible region, 5x plus 8y greater than equal to 80. So this is the region which is greater than equal to 80. X greater than equal to 2. So this is x equal to 2. So this whole region is greater than equal to 2. And y less than equal to 8. If y is equal to 8 is here, and this lower region will be less than equal to 8. So the common region for these three lines 1, 2 and 3, this will be the common region which is shaded here. And here we are again getting only 2 points, and it is also an unbounded solution because we do not have a boundary here, and maximum z is unbounded. But if we have to find minimum value for z, then we can take the corner points A as well as B and then find the value of z, where we get minimum z is equal to 166.4. So here A, that is x is 3.2 and y 8 is minimum. Therefore the optimal solution is x is 3.2, y is 8, which is approximately x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. So the whatever we minimize is the cost and we maximize the profit. So we minimize the cost z, that is 176 per kilometer. Now let us see the next problem. This is the case of minimize z value. And here we have three constraints: greater than equal to 42, greater than equal to 12, and less than equal to 10. So first we'll draw the table and solve the equations and get the values for x and y. And now we shall plot these points that we have got on the graph. So this is the first line, x plus y is equal to 10. This is the line showing x plus y is equal to 10. So this is the last one, that is x is 0 and y is 10, and x is 10 and y is 0. So this is one straight line. This is another straight line which shows x plus 3y is equal to 12, where x is 0 and y is 4, and x is 12 and y is 0. And then the next straight line we get here, where we have x is 0 and y is 21, and x is 3.5 and y is 0. So this is another straight line. Now if we see here, these are the three straight lines for the equation, and to identify the region, so this is the region which is greater than this equation, that is x plus 3y greater than equal to 12, x plus 3y greater than equal to 12. So this pink lines show you the region. Next is the yellow region, shows that it shows this equation, x plus y is equal to 10, x plus y less than equal to 10, so which is marked yellow, x plus y less than equal to 10. And now we can see here, this is for the line 12x plus 2y greater than equal to 42, 12x plus 2y greater than equal to 42. Now here we have to identify the common region, and we will get this region as the common region for all the equations. So we have to identify the corner points here, which is, this is one point, B and C. So the corner points A, B, C, we get minimum 39. So the optimal solution is A, that is x is 3 and y is 3, and minimum z is equal to 39. This problem was asked in May 2017. This is also a case of maximize z is equal to 5x plus 8y. So there are three constraints. So these are the points that are to be plotted. So this is one equation, that is x plus y is equal to 10. This is x plus 3y greater than equal to 12. And this is 12x plus 2y less than equal to 42. So there is a slight change in this problem. This is similar to the previous one. Now we shall identify the feasible region. Here if we see, this is the region for x plus 3y greater than equal to 12. X plus 3y greater than equal to 12. Now next region is x plus y less than equal to 10. X plus y less than equal to 10. And the next is we want 12x plus 2y less than equal to 42. So now we will get this region being highlighted. So let us see. So this region is highlighted. So this will be the common region where we have 4 points, that is A, C, D and E. So let us tabulate those points, and we get the maximum z as 80. So our optimal solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10. So the book used for the reference is Business Statistics by Professor Raj Mohan. Thank you very much.